Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's tap on this icon in order to open the camera, and first of all let me show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So let's enter the settings right here and let me change something. For example, let me activate the store location and let me set, for example, the self timer for 10 seconds. As you can see here, we've got the timer icon, so just make sure that you will remember all of those changes. And now I can show you how to reset the settings. So just go back to the general. Here we have to scroll down and tap on restore defaults. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so let's tap on OK. As you can see, we just got back to our camera, and first of all here we've got no timer icon, so it means that it has been removed. And let's check another option. We just marked the store location and right now it is turned off, so it means that we successfully restore all camera settings to their defaults. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.